Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can study smart using AI. So if you're still spending hours memorizing notes, what if AI could help you study smarter, not harder? And today, I'll show you how you can use AI tools to boost your learning, save time, and actually remember more. So the first step, you can summarize and simplify notes using AI. You can use AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity to summarize long PDFs or lectures. And you can also convert dense info into short study points. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to turn a 20-page chapter into a one-page sheet. You can just upload the PDF or the document and you can use this prompt. And next, you can turn text into flashcards. You can use tools like this one, Quizlet or Notion AI, and it will auto-generate flashcards from class notes, smart spaced repetition for memory. So you can just browse files and drop the notes, readings, or lecture slides in here, and it will give you the flashcard. And next, you can also personalize practice question. You can ask AI to create quizzes based on your syllabus. Like you can use Quizlet in here, or maybe Gemini. You can just ask, for example, give me 10 practice question on, let's say, biology cell division. You can also study with AI tutors. So you can just enable ChatGPT in voice mode, cloud, or even AI study booths, and you can just explain difficult concept in simple terms, and it will also compare multiple explanation until it clicks. And for productivity and focus hacks, you can AI apps like Notion AI, or Google Tasks with AI for scheduling. You can also use AI generated study timers such as Pomodoro, and AI reminders for deadlines and daily routines. So that's how you can study smart using AI, faster notes, better memory, and less stress. If you want me to make a full video on the best AI apps for students, drop a comment below. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.